Your neighbors will want to buy it from you. You can make this festive gnome yourself. I'll show you how easy and fun it is to create this holiday decoration. Start by taking a glass bottle. The size depends on how large you want your gnome to be, as the bottle will serve as the base of your design. Next, prepare some branches. Sprigs of thuja, commonly found in gardens, work best for this project. Trim the branches to match the height of the bottle, and cut a few shorter ones as well. Now, attach the trimmed branches to the bottle using floral wire. Green wire works best, as it blends perfectly with the branch color. Cover the entire surface of the bottle with the branches, ensuring it's fully wrapped. Attach the shorter branches to the top part of the bottle. Then, take some red fabric and place it on top of the arrangement, carefully shaping it into the gnome's hat. Use synthetic wadding to create the gnome's beard and tuck it into the red fabric. Next, take a red ornament and hot glue it to the beard to serve as the gnome's signature nose. For added charm, decorate the hat with embellishments of your choice. Finally, spray the entire creation with artificial snow for a wintry touch. This gnome is ready and looks fantastic as a festive decoration both indoors and outdoors. A lovely newspaper Christmas tree that's quick and budget-friendly to make. Start with a catalog or magazine with a sturdy spine. This is essential for stability. Fold all the pages as shown, making sure to be as precise as possible. Next, grab a hot glue gun. Apply a line of glue along the spine and gently roll the folded pages into a cone shape. Repeat this process for each page to transform the catalog into a cone-like structure. Take spray paint in the color of your choice. I chose gold. Carefully spray the entire surface of the cone, ensuring each page is evenly coated for a uniform look. Let the paint dry completely. Then, using the hot glue gun, attach a decorative star to the top of the tree. Add small stars or other ornaments for extra charm. These details give the tree a unique character. Your homemade Christmas tree is ready. This elegant and original decoration is perfect for a table or shelf. It's a wonderful addition to any holiday decor, bringing a warm and festive atmosphere to your home. Here's how to create a beautiful Christmas decoration. Place a cardboard tube from a used roll of paper inside a glass container. This tube plays a significant role in the arrangement. Thanks to it, you can quickly and easily create a stunning decoration for your holiday table. Fill the prepared container with ornaments. The color is up to you, but avoid placing them directly into the cardboard tube. Once the container is sufficiently filled, prepare branches of spruce or fir. A carefully arranged base of greenery will make the centerpiece look like it came from a florist. Next, add flowers to the arrangement. The colors and types of flowers are entirely your choice. You can also include branches of thuja, which are popular in gardens. Place these into the tube as well. Add red accents to enhance the festive vibe. With this kind of centerpiece, waiting for the holidays will be filled with charm and a festive atmosphere. You can also use it as a decoration for your holiday table. In a quick and inexpensive way, you can create a festive decoration that will impress everyone. Start with a long branch of an ornamental tree. I've chosen a thuja branch. Make sure it's not too thick. Gently shape the branch into a circle without breaking it. Once the shape is ready, tie both ends together using wire or regular thread. Secure them tightly so it stays intact. Add a few smaller branches to make the wreath look fuller and denser. Next, take a small ornament in any color and thread a piece of string through it. Hang the ornament at the top of the wreath. Then, take a long decorative ribbon and tie it above the ornament. Finally, attach a decorative bow where the branches meet the ornament and ribbon. Your festive decoration is ready. Hang it on your door to bring a holiday vibe to your home. A simple, natural wreath that looks light yet catches everyone's eye.
For less than $10, you can make a 1-meter Christmas tree. You only need a plastic office basket. Mine has a capacity of about 10 liters. Mine cost $5. It's important that it expands upwards. Also, prepare 6 wooden sticks. Each of them costs $1 and can be bought at a construction supermarket. They should be about 100 centimeters long. Turn the basket upside down. Attach the sticks to it using hot glue, making sure they are evenly spaced. If the basket has a rim, you can insert the ends of the sticks into it. When you glue them all, they should converge upwards to create a teepee shape. Connect them at the very top with hot glue. Prepare 3 Christmas chains. Dense and thick ones work best. I chose silver ones. I already had them at home from previous years. Starting from the base of the tree, begin to wrap them around, gluing them with hot glue to prevent them from sliding on the sticks. Wrap carefully, adding more chains. It's important not to leave any gaps. When the sticks are fully wrapped, a tree will be formed, but it's not the end. Attach a star ornament to the top. Take several Christmas baubles in different sizes. Attach them to the tree using hot glue at irregular intervals and heights. And there you have it. Making such a tree is childishly simple. Additionally, it costs next to nothing. It's almost a meter tall and beautifully decorates the house. The chains reflect the light beautifully. Beautiful Christmas decoration made from cups. It became a sensation on the internet, and kids love it. Prepare 500 white plastic cups, the regular disposable ones, and a stapler. With them, you can create a lovely snowman. Arrange the cups in a circle. Staple them together tightly so that they fit snugly against each other. Then arrange another layer on top of them. Staple the cups to the bottom layer and to the cup next to them. Repeat until you form a hemisphere. Repeat the process. When you have 2 similar hemispheres, connect them using the stapler. This will be the bottom of our snowman. Next, repeat the process, creating a smaller sphere. When it's ready, place one sphere on top of the other. Connect them using staples or hot glue. Make a cone from an orange sheet of paper. Cut out 5 circles from a black sheet. Attach white dots to 2 of them. Cut out a hat for the snowman from cardboard. Take a red scarf and tie it at the junction of the 2 spheres. Insert a nose into one cup. Attach eyes and buttons using hot glue. Finally, put the hat on the snowman's head, and it's ready. Such a cute snowman will delight the eye throughout the Christmas. Whether it's snowing outside or not, just add lights to make it beautifully decorate the room after dark. Kids love this decoration. It's adorable.